Hey guys, it's Brad from Bodyliner. I can't wait to show you this one. Brand new color, Volcanic Red Tintcoat by GMC. Let's take a look at this front end, which changed drastically. As we can see, whole front end coated from top to bottom, including the background of the grille. If we come down a little bit more, we can see the little details, including the little valances that fill in the spots, coated. We're coming down even a little bit more. The lower valance, the plastics down the side. Turned out absolutely fantastic. Danielle, our color match girl, and the Bodyliner queen just killed this one. Take a look at this color match. Let's look. Take a look at that right there. Let's take a look over here. Our mirrors completely coated. We took them 100% apart. So about 14 pieces each mirror, whether it's telescoped, up, down, doesn't matter where you move it, red everywhere. We did the rockers till the mid door point. So as we see as we're coming down, rockers all the way from the bottom up here with a nice thin transition with a beautiful match. As we step back a little bit more, we got our steps. These things usually pop quite a bit, not in the best way because they're black on a red truck, but now we see color match. They come in beautifully, a textured top, smooth all around it. So for that area that we're stepping, a little bit of extra strength. Flares, under flares, protected all the way down to this edge that gets chipped. And then we went through on some 5-star auto accessory kickbacks with this new flat delete kit. So that way we take and bring that flap up. We no longer have that gap that's coming usually when you put kickbacks on the GMCs. We're coming back to the back end here, finishing off with this rear bumper that just changed this rear end so much. Textured on the top, smooth here. The pockets are a smooth and textured two-tone, and we didn't miss the fine little details with our plugs. Plugs here, beautiful match, and I just can't wait to see some more red tint coat.